And here you see a Mexican style homemade hamburger that's delicious. If you would like to see how I make it, keep on watching. I'm using 4 pounds of ground beef, and we're gonna ground a teaspoon of pepper, and I'm gonna ground it on the molcajete, and a teaspoon of cloves, a tablespoon of oregano, I'm gonna be using a bowl. I'm gonna be mixing all the ingredients here. I'm also gonna be using 5 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna smash them here. You can do all this on the blender and they're ready. And a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Now we're gonna mix the ground beef with the ingredients. I recommend you wear gloves because otherwise it's a mess. Once it's mixed like this, I add half a chopped onion. Mix. So now it's ready. We're gonna start making them. So you're gonna be grabbing some meat like this and then smash it all the way because they shrink. So make them like almost twice the size of regular. So now the frying pan is ready. We're gonna add the oil. It takes very little cooking oil because the meat has a lot of fat in it. And to make it better, we're gonna add a piece of unsalted butter. So we're gonna start frying them. They have been frying for 7 to 10 minutes already, so you only turn them once. That's the secret, so they're juicy and well cooked. So this look like they're ready. We're gonna check the temperature. And they're well cooked, so they're ready. So I'm gonna remove them and we're gonna try them right away. So now in a different frying pan, we're gonna add a little oil. A thin slice of butter. Now we're gonna place the buns this way. This is an optional thing, but gives them a very special flavor. Turn them over. I'm gonna add a slice of cheese. And we're gonna turn it over. This is all medium heat. Now we're gonna add the mayo. Some mustard. some onions, and some tomato slices. Now the meat. And lastly, the lettuce. And there it is, the Mexican style homemade hamburger. Now I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna add some ketchup. My friends, it's so delicious, you're gonna love it. And we're gonna ground a teaspoon of pepper. I'm using the rock mortar, and I'm gonna ground it on the molcajete. Now we're gonna smash 5 cloves of I'm also gonna be using 5 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna smash them here. You can do all this on the blender. I'm just using the molcajete because. So you're gonna be grabbing some meat like this, and then smash it all the way. My friends, it's so delicious, you're gonna love it.